Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Language. Today we will discuss about the content type in Drupal. So in Drupal, content type is a basic thing where we create content type, and after that through the content type we will create content. So how to create content to the content type we will discuss already in previous video. So in this video we will discuss about the content type, like how to create content type, how to manage the field, how to create the field, how to manage the field in content type. So let's start. So you can see this is a one Drupal site, that is or in local site, and this is a tab bar, menu tab bar. We have already discussed about this one. So first we will go to the structure, click on the structure. Inside the structure you can see some menus, some links are there. So one links you can see content type. So click on the content type, and in this structure more basic functionality are there. So yeah, you can see two content type already there in Drupal. So article and basic page, this is a default content type in Drupal. And for custom creating our content type, a custom content type, how to create? So click on add content type button, and the name, what is name is, what is the content type name. So first name, like for training, that is training content type. Description, like about training, and this is not mandatory field, it is a optional. So it is our title field label, like first what is in title, and you can choose anyone, like if you give the training name here, it is up to you. Next one, publishing option, so it is already ticked. The display setting, author and date information, it means when you create content through the training content type, on the basic page it is showing display author and date information also, but it is not mandatory, so I'll untick this one. Menu setting, it's like where you want to see the content of this content type. So it is already main navigation ticks, but I'll untick this one because I don't want to this one. And main navigation means the upper menu, like home, about us, something else. Footer is footer, you already know that. Administration, like this one menu, and tools and user account menu. So this is not mandatory. Just save and manage field, click button. So save and manage field means it is saving, it is creating a content type as a training name. Like I have created one content type name is training. You can create any name of content type. So from where two field already there, like you can see here. If I'll go to the content, and here you can see how many fields in training content type. So I'll go to the add content type. You can see here training content type. So already we have only two fields already there, but if you want to more fields in this content type, so what we'll do, click on the add field. For example, click on add field and go to the text. So it is what type of field if you want to create here. For example, I'll create text plain training. Training name already you have written, so I'll just give training title. training second name. I'll just give one second name. Save and continue. So maximum length is 255. You can increase or decrease as your choice. Limited one means only one field will come. If you select unlimited, it is add more button, like you can you choose more than one field, you can add more than one field in this one, but here I'm selecting only limited one. So here you can for clicking this one, you can create as a required field in training. So, and here if you give default value something else, then it is showing in the form of default value. If it not, then it is not showing. So I'm save setting. So one field, so go to the content type, refresh this page, and you can see one field already there. Okay, and again if you want to again one field, something like image and all that, for example I want to add image file, so select image, training image, just I'm giving training image, save and continue, and it's a limited one already I have told. This one is optional. Okay, save field and setting, and here this was is extension. In this field if you define extension and what you want, like jpg, gif, it is up to you, like which type of extension you want to required in the form, you can given here. This is a file directory, like where image will be saved in the file. You can give your path also. This one, like for example I'm giving training image, and maximum length, maximum image resolution, it is also given, and here two field is ticked, means if you have ticked this field, means alter field and alter field enable it will be enable, and if you click this field checkbox, means alter field will be required. It up to you. So I am just uncheck one and this one also, and save setting. And you can give also maximum upload size image. Again go to the content type and refresh the page. You can see one field is there, that is training image field. Okay, the second one, if you create other than this one, for example if you want to create the drop down type field, so just select list text, just I'm typing training type and save and continue. So list text is for drop down, so here just for one training one, the second one is training 2, this is, you can give in more than like what you want, it's your choice, it's your required form required. Save and field setting. Again it's if you want to mandatory of this field, so click on this box and save and setting. So you can check, go to the content type, again refresh the page, you can see one field is there, you can see here. So it is mandatory field because you have check on the required field, you can see the asterisk. And one thing, in manage field you can manage field, this one. Okay, so how to manage this one, go to the manage form display on the top. So here you can see two types of manage, like one is so row weight, this one weight. In the weight it means it's a ordering, like which field is top one, which field is lower one, which field is middle, and the second one is if you hide this one, you can drag and drop option also. You can see here first is training name, the second is authored by, authored one, promoted front page and all that, and the you have created training second name, training image, training type. So you have two options to manage this field. How? For example, like give the way it wrote. If you want to like training type, if you want to training second name in second after training name, and training type after training second name, so what we'll do, first you will see the -5, then you have to give here it's a -4, and here it's -3. Why -4 -3? Because -3 is greater than -4, and -4 is greater than -5. Okay, so you want to after training name. Okay, so you have to given it's minus it's what will happen, -6, and here -7. Okay, save and continue and check here what will happen. Okay, so it is top here, it is second one, it is one. Again you can manage this one. How to manage? For example, this one is you want to it's -3 and -4, and go down and save. So by this you can manage field. See, training name is upper one, then training second name, then training type. Okay, so this one is your up to choice. Then go to the manage display. What will happen here? You can see like reason and all that, this one. So nothing so much in manage display. That's it. So now this is whole structure of content type. By this, again go to the structure and go to the content type. So from here you can create your content type and use this one. By this one, like if you want to add the content by this content type, so go to the content and add content, click on add content. See, you can see here training, click on training. For example, training first, I'm just giving training first. This is not mandatory, so I am not filling this one. This is mandatory, so I am selecting this one. And all field also not mandatory, so just I am giving the demo by this training how to create the content by training content type. Just I have already created, so you can see this one. And here in content field, in content listing, you can see the content type. This is content I created by the training content type. So this is all the structure of the how to create content type, and how to manage field in content type, and how to create content in newly created content type. So this is all the setup. So guys, I think you have to more helpful video for this one. So please comments if any question if you want to ask, and please subscribe my channel and click bell button and like the video. Thank you.